Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an amazing home to show you on a very nice corner lot. This home is located at 3201 Tobago Road in Fort Worth, Texas. This is in our Rainbow Ridge community, and this is our Lincoln floor plan. Before we jump in the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it helps get the videos out to other folks. This particular Lincoln has our C elevation, which is referring to what the front of the home looks like. And the C elevation has this really tall porch, and it has a covered front patio as well, you'll see right here, with some really pretty cedar beams. With this home being on a corner, not only do you have a very pretty view, but you've got tons of parking space on both sides of the house. Across the street, we've got a 2-story plan under construction that we'll be doing a video on soon. That is our Raleigh floor plan. As we walk in, you'll see that we've got the wood look tile flooring, and up front we've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that we'll pop in and take a look at right now. In this front bedroom, you'll also see that you have a really pretty view out the front window with that covered front porch. Heading into the bathroom, you'll see we've got some really pretty dark tiles with the undermount sink and granite countertops. We also did the upgraded painted white cabinets all throughout the home, which you'll really get a good view of in the kitchen. There's never enough good storage, so we're happy to have 2 really good sized linen closets, one in this front hall and one you'll see later near the master bedroom, as well as a coat closet near the kitchen. Here you're going to have a nice sized mudroom area with plenty of storage to kick off your shoes or drop off the backpacks at the end of the day when the kids come home. And heading in here, we've got a very good sized laundry room. And we'll take a look on the back side wall right here, where you've got your structured wiring panel. Let's pop this open so you can see what's in there. It's going to have all your internet and cable lines so that you can easily install your internet router and have that tucked away so that you don't have to have it sitting out on your entertainment system in the family room. Let's take a look at the garage now. We'll walk through and show you a couple different things. You're going to have your water heater right here in the corner. And that's a 50-gallon electric water heater. And then that little white panel right here I'm about to point to. Behind that is going to be a quick shut-off water valve. And you've got your electrical panel there. And you also are going to have your sprinkler system control box right here. The home comes with a full sprinkler system, front, back, and side yards. Your garage door opener is included with an insulated garage door. And we'll pop that open right now so you can get an idea of what that view looks like. We'll take a peek into the attic as well so that you can see our radiant barrier decking. If you can see as I zoom in, that tinfoil looking stuff on the ceiling of the roof is the radiant barrier decking, and that reflects heat out of the attic to help keep the attic cooler and keep the house cooler to make the whole home more energy efficient for you. Here in the kitchen, dining, and family, you'll notice that we did the white painted cabinets. You have the large 10-foot ceilings that are included through the majority of the home, as well as this beautiful wood look tile all throughout, including the family room instead of carpet. Your window blinds are included in all the windows, and we have plenty to bring in a ton of beautiful natural light. On our Lincoln floor plan, you'll have this large kitchen counter island with this beautiful granite that we'll take a closer look at. This island is 8 feet long, and we also have done an undermount kitchen sink, the painted white cabinets that I mentioned, and you have a massive pantry for plenty of storage. On this home, we did the black appliance package, and we also did an upgraded kitchen sink faucet that pulls out. And look at that view. Gorgeous view while you're in the kitchen cooking, watching the game, or just hanging out with family. The black appliances really pop with the gray floors and the painted cabinets. Here's that pull-out faucet. And then we also have the smooth glass top cooktop and 2 glass front cabinets that really pop off and just look gorgeous. Before we head into the backyard, I want to show you these window blinds. They're really cool and the fact that they don't have the strings like the old window blinds used to. On this new system, you just lift up where you want the blinds to stop, and then you pull down, and that's it. Heading into the backyard, you'll see that we've got a really nice covered patio. You're going to have the stained fencing with metal posts included. And we'll step back here and give you a good look at the back of the home. And you'll see as a little teaser where those windows are popping out right there. That is in the master bedroom, where you have some very pretty bay windows that we're going to go take a look at here in just a second. Just as a quick reminder, your ceiling fan here in the family room is included, as well as your ceiling fan in the master bedroom. And all the guest bedrooms will be blocked and wired for the Before we head into the master bedroom, we'll take a look at the second linen closet with a ton of additional storage. As we head into the master bedroom, take a look at these gorgeous 10-foot ceilings, beautiful bay windows, and you're going to get a ton of natural light in here and plenty of room for everything you need. This is the same floor plan as our model home, where we have a king-size bed that fits in nicely with 2 nightstands, a dresser, and a bench. These 10-foot ceilings really make a huge difference. I love the open space that it lets you have. Heading into the master bathroom, you'll see that we have the double undermount sinks included, with another beautiful granite countertop, and the granite countertops here in the master bathroom and the guest bathroom are a slightly different color than what's in the kitchen for a nice added detail. You're going to have a separate shower and tub with a large 42 by 42 inch shower pan and that beautiful dark tile again. Now we'll take a look at the master closet. You've got plenty of storage and room to hang clothes. And right behind this door, you're going to have your master bathroom toilet with a door for added privacy. Here's a quick wave to all you wonderful people watching. We're going to head back into the family room to get another quick look. And as a reminder, this home is our Lincoln floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,880 square feet, upgraded painted white cabinets. You're going to have the 10-foot ceilings included through the majority of the home, as well as the wood look tile that we've extended. And with all our homes in Rainbow Ridge, you're going to have your window blinds included, your sprinkler system included throughout the front, back, and side yards, stained fences with metal posts, and a smart home package. And that smart home package is going to include the structured wiring panel we saw, as well as a Ring doorbell camera. Thanks, and see you guys on the next video.